Accept failure, but don't accept not trying. This is very important, friends, in life, because obviously if we are playing any game or doing anything, there will be two results. Either we would get success or we would get failed. So success means that's fine, but the more concern is, or the main thing where people are struggling is failure. How to deal with that failure? Because obviously sometimes we would get success, sometimes we would get fail. If two players are playing, obviously one player will win, another player has to lose the game. That is what the rule is. So the winner, we would say, he or she had little bit putted more efforts, or they played well, that's why they won. But at the same time, the person who lost the game, the player who lost the game, that person also put their 100% efforts, but somewhere because of a little bit less efforts or something went wrong and he or she lost the game. That's fine. The main thing is we have to accept that failure, and we should not give up. We have to continuously put effort so that next time we can also win that game. Next time we can also achieve that target. That is what matters. That is what important. But many a times people are taking so seriously that failure that they give up. And once we give up, we are totally out of the competitions. We are totally out of that game. There is no chance of winning again. This is very, very critical. But once we lose and we decided that no, I have to put more effort so that next time I can come with flying colors. If you have that kind of mindset, definitely you will win in future. But if you take failure seriously, you will think that what other people will think and all, then you will face a problem. So as per my understanding, failure, winning is part of life. If you get success, still put continuously effort so that you can excel in your areas or in your niche. But at the same time, if you get fail, at least you will get to learn something, and next time you won't repeat those mistakes. And you can guide people also that I did this way, I didn't get success, so please don't do that. So there is nothing called failure. It's just a learning opportunity, we can say. Take it positively so that you can move ahead in your life. So please don't give up. Whatever is the situation, we know that time and circumstances can be changed at any point of time. So please move ahead in your life. You will get success. Thank you so much for watching, friends.